Today we're going to talk about how to find the least common multiple, also known as the LCM. So a multiple is any number that our given number, let's say 3, can multiply into. So the multiples of 3 would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. The least common multiple would be the smallest multiple that would fit 2 or more numbers. If we wanted to find the least common multiple of 3 and 8, the first method we could use is to list out the multiples for each number. So we already have some multiples of 3, and the multiples of 8 would be 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, etc. Now we haven't found any common multiples yet, so let's continue our lists. For 3, there's 18, 21, 24. Oh, we found a common one. 3 and 8 both have a multiple of 24. So that is going to be our answer because that is the least common multiple, or the smallest common multiple that 3 and 8 both share. Now this listing method works, but it can become very tedious and time consuming. So another method we could use is prime factorization. Let's say we have two numbers, 8 and 12, and we want to find the LCM of these two numbers. What we can do is list out the prime factors of each number. A good way to do this is make a sort of tree of the factors. So the factors of 8 are 2 and 4. 2 is prime, so we stop there. And then 4 is not prime, but it can be divided into 2 times 2, which are both prime. And then for 12, 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 is prime, so we stop there. And then the factors of 4 are 2 and 2, which are prime, so we stop there. Now to find the least common multiple using these prime factors, we have to line up the prime factors into a table. So we're going to put 8 and 12, and we're going to list the factors of 8, 2, 2, and 2, and then the factors of 12. If they are the same as the factors of 8, we put them under. So 12 and 8 both have 2 2's. And then if there's a new factor, we want to give it its own vertical column. And then we bring down the common numbers. So these become a 2, these become a 2, we bring down this 2, and we bring down this 3. And then our last step is to multiply the resulting prime factors down here. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 will give us the LCM of 24. Let's try another example. What if we had 3 numbers, let's say 5, 7, and 16. What is the LCM of these 3 numbers? We're going to want to follow a similar process. So the first step is to list out the prime factors, In this case, 5 is prime, so we just use 5. 7 is also prime. We can ignore the 1s because 1 times any number is just that number. And then 16 can be divided into 8 times 2. 2 is prime, so we stop there. 8 can be divided into 2 times 4. 2 is prime. And then 4 can be divided into 2 times 2. Now when we list all the numbers in our little table, we have 5, 7, 2, 2, 2, 2. Since there's no common numbers, we just bring them all down. So our answer is going to be 5 times 7 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 560. So 560 is the least common multiple of 5, 7, and 16.